Hello everyone, back again with me Yarni Pitrimawati Gula. In this video I will make an example of a conversation. The first part is about local transportation and giving direction. The second is about intercity transportation. Okay, let's get straight to it. Part 1, dialogue about local transportation and giving direction. Good afternoon. Can I help you? It looks like you are looking for something. Oh, good afternoon too. Yes, I am a bit lost. I am looking for Gunung Sitoli Zoo, but I think I took the wrong road. Can you help me find the way? Of course, the zoo is not too far from here. Which way did you come from? I got off the better in front of the city park and tried to walk. Oh, the city park. Okay, so you are pretty close. To get to the zoo, there are several public transportation. The most popular of which is angkot. In addition, there are also better motorized rice house. But if you want to be faster, there are also online motorcycle taxi that can be ordered via the application. Oh, so what's the best way to get there? If you want to be more practical and drop it off right in your door, you can take a better. But if you want to save a bit, you can take angkot. But you have to know the route. Since the zoo is in the same direction, I suggest just taking angkot. Okay, how long does it take to walk? Walk from here about 50 to 20 minutes. But if you want to go faster, take an angkot or better for about 5 to 7 minutes. From where we are now, just go straight in that direction, following this main road. Later you will pass several shops on the left and right. After about 5 to 7 minutes of walking, you will find a gas station on the left side of the road. Well, after that gas station, you continue straight a little more until you find a large intersection. Large intersection is there a red light? That's right. There is a red light. That is the intersection of walk to the beach. Well, at the intersection, you turn right. Turn right at the intersection to the beach. Okay. Exactly. After you turn right, you continue straight. You will pass several restaurants and small shops. Well, later on the left side of the road, you will see a fairly large building with many trees in front of it. That's the Gunung Sitoli Zoo. It's located right after the fairly large bank summit on the left side of the road. So, the K is the gas station. Then the intersection to the beach and Bang Sumut in Gunung Sitoli. There are also many other landmarks that you can visit if you have time. For example, not far from here, there in the iconic museum. Then, if you like history, you can stop by the prayer garden with the statue of the Virgin Mary. Or if you want to look for souvenirs, you can go to the very souvenir center in Sukarno. Wow, thank you very much for the information. Your explanation is very clear. I am no longer confused. You're welcome. Glad to help. Be careful on the road. Have a nice holiday in Gunung Sitoli. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Now we enter part 2 about out of town transportation. Hey Bima, I am thinking about going back to Medan or maybe going to Parapat. What's the best way to get there from here? Wow, it's really easy to get to Medan or Parapat from Pematang Siantar. There are several intercity transportation options that you can use depending on your comfort and budget. Oh yeah, what are they? Okay, the most common ones are intercity buses and also travel minibus to get to Medan. Most people take buses or travel. To get to Parapat, they usually take travel or smaller public transportation. Oh, how long is the bus and how much does it cost? If you take the bus from Pematang Siantar to Medan, it takes about 3 to 4 hours depending on traffic condition. The price is quite affordable, usually around 40 to 60,000 one way, depending on the class of bus. The advantage is that the bus has more departure times from morning to night and can carry quite a lot of such. The bus terminal is in the Perluas area here. So if you want a faster one, there is one. Well, if you want something faster and more flexible, you can use a travel or minibus. There are many travel agents around Pematang Siantar that serve routes to Medan, even to Kuala Namu Airport. The advantage is that this travel usually picks up and drop off door to door, so it's more practical. The travel time can be a little faster than the bus, around 2.5 hours to 3.5 hours, because sometimes the road is shorter. Oh, so you don't need to go to the terminal again if you take a travel. How much does it cost? That's right. They usually picks you up at the agreed location. The price for travel is a little higher than the bus, around 60,000 to 80,000, but it's worth it for the practicality. The Sabdol is also quite frequent. Usually, there are departures every hour. What about going to Parapat? It is near Lake Toba. If you go to Parapat, it's very close from Pematang Siantar, around an hour's drive. You can take an angkot or minibus that has a route to Parapat. The price is much cheaper, maybe around 15,000 to 25,000. The advantage is it passes by very often and can stop anywhere according to your destination in Parapat. Okay, so the point is if from Pematang Siantar, the main choice are buses and travel for long roads like to Medan, and public transportation, minibus for shorter roads like to Parapat. That's right. If you are in a hurry or want to be comfortable without the hassle of going to the terminal, travel is the best choice. But if you want to save more and break a lot of shoes, Parapat public transportation is the most suitable. That's my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.